Hey guys, I got this new airsoft gun. It's gas, and I got a laser. This laser's fully metal. It's a Black Ops gun, you know. Fully metal, gas powered. CO2 right here. And we got everything in here, as you can see. And, well, I just like, yeah, I can't shoot it right now. It's like, you can see in the background, it's 11:10. But in the morning, I'll show you some more, and hope you like my video, and I'll show you later again. And it's 20 milligrams.